So you're making a Python program and you just want a random picture of a llama to appear, which is pretty much every program, right? So all you do is just use the web browser to open it up. And it's real simple. You just gotta have at the top of your program, import web browser, like that. And the next thing is real simple. You just go web browser dot open, and then just put in, you know, your web address. You could put in www.google.com like that if you want. I'm just gonna find a llama GIF or something to put in it. So maybe you've got a quiz, and when you get a nonsensical answer that doesn't make any sense, you just show them a llama kind of looking like, what? So we just click on it, and you just find the address of the image. And guess where that goes? If you think in here, you're absolutely right. Look at that. Just press bam. And the last thing, let's say you don't have the interweb machine and you want to download this. So you just download your picture here, and all you do is you hold in the Shift key and right click until you see copy as path. Right, that will copy the address of the picture on your computer. Same thing, you just paste it in. Except this will give you a little bit of an error about Unicode. And what that means is, you see these slashes, it wants even more slashes in there, backslashes. So just double up every time you see a slash, and it'll get right rid of that Unicode error. Press play again, load it. I've accidentally doubled up in my inverted commas. There we go. Llamas.